Alright guys, this is how we're gonna use our stock rx8 exhaust, but we did a 2JZ swap and it was still silent. So first off, we're gonna cut this part off, right? Then we're gonna cut back the hole, patch it back with a cap and weld. Then we're gonna open up the silencer, right? Take out the padding and the piping, and you're gonna get this. Alright, so from there, this was originally here, so we're gonna cut this off and put a straight pipe through here. So afterwards we're gonna get the 2GZ sweet noise we're gonna look for. After this, we're gonna just put everything back in the silencer, then oil it back, and I'm gonna show you an update on how it's gonna work. All right, that's it for now.